Just write down these questions and write the answers. I'll give you only 10 minutes. I'm not giving much more time. Only 10 minutes is given. Sadhanet,
Yes, sir.
are you the brother of Ravija? No, no.
No, sir. That is Lishan.
That is Lishan, no? Okay. Do them together. You can. Okay, shall we discuss it?
Please wait. Sir,
Yes.
did we have right yes or no to
Yeah.
third question?
Yeah. So that one, if it, yeah, if it divisible, you can write yes or no, or you can put a tick or
Okay,
cross.
sir.
630. 630 is better than is 630 divisible by 5, divisible by 10, divisible by 2, divisible by 3, divisible by 9, divisible by 6.
So I have finished my work. I'm Sandanit.
Okay. Others still doing? Now time's up. Okay, we shall check the answers. Here, are you writing? You are writing, no? Okay. We'll start. Okay, what is this one? If I write the answer, can you see? First one. This is what is called? There are three ways we can write the sets. First thing is we can write as a statement, we can write as an element, and we can write as a Venn diagram. This is a Venn diagram. Then they ask you to write it in word. Okay, what are the numbers inside the circle? 2, 4, 6, 8. These are
Even numbers between 10.
Even numbers less than 10. Okay, even numbers less than 10. So you can write this set A. We are writing sets within what? Within curly brackets. Then you can write even numbers less than 10. If you write 10 up to 10, that's wrong. If you write up to 10, we have to write 10 also. We have to write 10 also. So there is no 10. So we have to write even numbers up less than 10. Then write the sets as elements. How do you write elements?
Write A
2,
and curly
4,
brackets,
6,
2,
8.
4, 6, 8 and
To
curly
write
bracket.
to separate elements, we have to write commas. In the Venn diagram, we are not writing commas, but when you write as an element, you have to write commas.
Commas.
Okay. If your answer is put correct, put a tick. Otherwise, put a cross mark and write the correct answer. උත්තරය අහන්න හරි ලකුණක් දාන්න. වැරදි නම් වැරදි ලකුණක් දාලා උත්තරේ ලියා ගන්න ඕනේ ළඟින්. Okay.
Sir,
Yes.
I'm Nimasha. Sir, I wrote in first question multiples of 2 less than 10.
That's also okay. Multiple of 2 less than 10. That's also correct. If you write that answer, it is also correct. 2, 4, 6, 8. We can write as even numbers. That also we can write as multiple of 2. That's also correct. Do you have any other number? Any other answer? Now we'll go to second one. This is not working. Why is this? Can you remember the order of
First we have to do brackets.
brackets? division, multiplication, then the addition, subtraction. So we have to simplify inside the bracket. 2 into 5 divided by, we have to simplify these two. 5 minus 4 is 1.
1.
Then do the division.
Then we have to multiply.
You can multiply. So multiply. Then 2 into 5, 10 divided by 1. Then answer is 10
10.
divided by 1 is 10. Got it? Got the answer?
Yes, sir.
We go to second one. Okay. Is Rithira there? Rithira came? No, today. Is Rithira there? Next one. Overall score now.
Sir, shall we put tick in a red pen?
Pencil is better, no? You want to write with red pen, so okay. What should you do first? Subtraction or addition?
Same. They are same.
Addition?
No.
So we can.
All do.
So we can first do the subtraction.
Addition, subtraction are in the same level. They are in the same level.
Yes, sir.
So whatever meet first, we have to do. Make addition එක තිබ්බයි කියලා මුලින්ම addition එක කළොත් අරදිනවා. මයිලා කිව්වා. නේද?
Yes, sir.
ඉන්න මෙතන තියෙන subtraction addition මුලින්ම තියෙන එක තමයි කරන්න ඕනේ. So we have to do subtraction. 20 minus 8, 12,
12,
4. 20
16,
12. Then 12 plus 4 is 16.
16.
If you do the addition, that's wrong. Okay?
So I got it.
Remember, addition, subtraction in the same level. Whatever you get first, you have to do it. Maybe අපි මුලින්ම additions ලියුවා කියලා additions කරන්නේ නැහැ මුලින්ම. When addition සහ subtraction දෙන්න එක්කෙනෙක් ඉස්සරහම තියෙන එක තමයි කරන්න ඕනේ ඉස්සෙල්ලා. We go to next one. Shall I erase this one?
Okay, sir.
Next one. First one is yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Numbers divisible by if the last number is
Sir,
zero.
I'm
you
still
can do-
doing this one.
What?
I'm still doing this one.
This one?
Yes, sir.
Okay, I'll give you 1 minute only. Lamai, when this session is over, you have to log in again. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Use same link. Every day we are using same link. Every day we are using same link. So join. I have Okay. Shall we? Okay. First one is 630 divisible by 5. Yes. If the last number is 0, we can divide by 5.
Yes, sir.
Is 630 divisible by 10? Yes.
Yes, sir.
If the last number is 0, we can divide by 10.
10.
Is 630 divisible by 2? Yes.
Yes.
If the numbers end up with 0, 2, 4, 6, 8, then numbers divisible by 2. Then
2.
0 වලින් එතකොට මේ number එක 2 වලින් divide වෙනවා. Is it divisible by 3?
Yes, sir. Because digital root is 9.
9.
It is divisible by 3.
If the digital root is 3, 6, 9, we
9.
can divide by 3. Then 630 we can divide by 3. Then is it divisible by 9?
Yes, sir.
Yes. If the digital root is 9, we can divide by 9. Is it divisible by 6?
Yes, sir. If the digital root is divisible by 3, we can divisible the number by 6.
6 වලින් divide වෙනවද කියලා බලන්නේ මේක even number එකක් වෙන්න ඕනේ. even number එකක් වෙන්න නම් ඒකේ last digit එක 0 හරි 2 හරි 4 හරි 6 හරි 8 හරි වෙන්න බෑ. දැන් මේක 0 නේ. ඒක මේක even number එකක්. even number එකක් වෙලා 3 වලින් divide වෙනවා නම් මේක 6 වලින් divide වෙනවා. මේක even number එකක්. digital root එක 9. ඒ හින්දා මේක 3 වලින් divide වෙනවා. ඒ හින්දා මේ number එක 6 වලින් divide වෙනවා. 630 is divisible by 6.
6.
Okay. Now, if you answer all the answers are correct, raise your hand. If the all answers are correct, raise your hand. If not,
Each participants.
yes. Others? Good. Sakitya, okay. Nimasha? Naduli? Okay. Shashin?
Yes, sir.
If there is mistake, if there anything you didn't understand, just ask from me.
Okay, sir.
If there anything you didn't understand, just ask from me now. We are going to continue other part. Okay, now this session will be over. Now we will start a new session for the new lesson. Okay, the main session එක දැන් ඉවර වෙනවා ළමයි. ඕගොල්ලෝ